Hi, I'm Leng from the Burning Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to do a braised claypot tofu. In Chinese called 红烧砂锅豆腐. This type of mushroom is called flower mushroom, which is one of the top grade. Can you tell the difference apart from this one being bigger than this one? Okay, let's turn behind and look. Look at this. The stalk is flat and this one is just a stump. Okay, this flat one is actually being cut. Alright, it's grown in a greenhouse. This one actually is grown in the wild. Okay, it grows on a tree trunk. So in terms of pricing, this is slightly more expensive and they are more fragrant and they're nicer to eat. Okay. And when you want to choose a mushroom, make sure that the fin are all very nice, not the black color inside. Look at this, it's very nice. Okay. Yeah, and also secondly, the shape of the mushroom is also important. Look at this one. It looks like a hat. So you look at the inside, it all curled in. After you soak this, you expand, it will become very big. This one is actually the same size. After I soak this, it expanded. And look at this one, it's so thick inside. So when you want to buy a mushroom, please remember to choose a one that looks like a hat. Okay, you can also wear it during rainy days. Yeah? Okay, now I remove the skin from the ginger by using a knife to scrape it. This is my usual way of scraping the skin from the ginger. Now I got to cut it into slices like this. For this capsicum, there are three colors actually, the green, yellow and red. I usually will buy the yellow and the red because they are very attractive colors and they're also sweeter. As for the green one, it tastes a little bit raw, you know, very raw taste, so I don't really like that. And these two colors are actually more expensive. Okay, next I cut the capsicum into half. Then I remove the seed and the core of it. And then I just cut it into like a square pieces. Now cut it like a bite size. And then the pea, I got to remove the fiber on both sides. So next I cut the pork belly, the roasted pork belly, the shao rou. This is one big word which I find so difficult to pronounce. This is also one of the sauces that I would be using, and it's also a sauce that is used in most Chinese cuisine. Okay, please help me out here. Is it number 1, Worcestershire? Number 2, Worcestershire? Number 3, Worcestershire? So can you please give me your vote in the comment below, whether it's 1, 2 or 3. Okay, these are the condiments that I'll be using for the sauce. Okay, add in the oyster sauce into a bowl, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and dark soy sauce just to add to the color of it, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour for thickening, and then this is the W sauce which I can't pronounce, and also water 250 ml. And then you give this a stir and leave it aside until later. Then now I squeeze the mushroom to get rid of the water. Keep the mushroom water for the sauce as well. Okay, next use a scissor to snip off the stalk, the mushroom. They discard it because they're very tough to be eaten, and because the mushroom is quite big, so I cut into half. Then next, canned mushroom, these are also gigantic size, so I cut into half too. But if it's a smaller one, you just leave it as a whole. And then this is a tofu. The firm one is a firm one. I bought 1 block and I cut into about 8 pieces. This tofu has a lot of water, so you have to pat dry it before you deep fry. Otherwise, the oil will splatter all over. To prevent the oil from splattering a lot, you have to sprinkle the tofu with some corn flour. So this also goes well when you do the tauhu goreng. It's the same way. You have to coat it with a little bit of corn flour before you deep fry it. It makes a lot of difference. Otherwise, the oil will be splattering all over. Then you add about 100 to 150 ml of oil. And then you deep fry the coated tofu in small batches, okay? Do not fry all one go, otherwise it all stick together. Okay, when it's a little bit of, when the color changes, you just flip it over gently, and then you fry, continue to fry until it's golden like this. And then you drain it, and then put it on the plate, line with the kitchen towel to drain off the excess oil. Then remove the oil and leave behind only 2 tablespoons and add in the 4 slices of ginger and fry until it's aromatic. Then you add in the roast pork belly and fry until quite aromatic. Then you add in the mushroom, add in the button mushroom, and then next you add in the capsicum and the sweet pea, and then stir it and mix well. And then add in the mushroom water and add a pinch of salt. Then you add in the sauce and continue to fry for 1 minute. And then add in the tofu. You have to stir very carefully because the tofu is tofu, right? Tofu is soft. If you stir too hard, what happens? It will disintegrate. Okay, and then you just scoop everything onto the clay pot. Then you just simmer it for about 10 minutes. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit more water. Oh, here comes my pot of braised tofu. Wow, you see? Wow, look at this. Oh, still bubbling. I don't know about you, but I'm famished. Join me. Can you please vote whether 1, 2 or 3? Wrong wrong order. Balik. Yeah, I need your help here. Number 1, is it Worcestershire? 越做越糟。